This is a free game about the anatomy of a rattlesnake. You can play this game yourself, look in the description to find the link. I'm gonna press start. This is the rattle of the snake. Here we see a belly scale. This is of course its tail. This is a rib, a single rib. This is his stomach of the rattlesnake. This is its liver. Here we see the heart. This is a lung. This is the intestine. This is the kidney of the snake. This is the esophagus. And this is the gallbladder. You can play this game yourself, look in the description to find the link.